Hi, this is Paul back at the iCafe studio talking about teacher web pages again. This time we're going to talk about posting to the blog. Okay, this is a simple process that you can do. We'll walk through it all the way. If you have any questions, there are also cheat sheets that are available that you can refer to. To access your teacher web page, once again, you need to go to your campus homepage. From there I can select teachers, find your name. I'm Miss Jennifer Wagner today. And then if I scroll all the way to the bottom of my page, on the very bottom right, there's a teacher use only. I want to click on New Post. It's going to prompt you to log in. You must change the drop down for the authentication provider to LDAP users. It will not work if you do not. Then you put in your teacher login and password, your normal district credentials, and it will log you in. If we look back down at my screen now, you're going to see that I have 3 sections listed here. I'm a second grade teacher who does reading and language arts. This is pulling from our grade book. So when you log in, you will have all of your sections listed here. Okay? When you are posting to your blog, you can make it relevant to a specific section or a specific grade. If you want, you choose whatever section you want to do that post in. Know that when you have finished it, when a parent opens your blog or a student opens your blog page, all of your posts will show up, but then it can be filtered later on, and I'll show you that at the end. So I want to make a blog post for reading this time. Okay? Since I have not made any post for reading at all, I'm going to have the create a post option here. But you know, I'm going to go back because maybe instead I want to do it on grade 2. I want to show you what it looks like. Once you have a post here, now it's going to show any post that already existed, plus you have a create a post option here. So from here I'm going to click on create a post. A wizard's going to open up. I type in my title, test blog. I come down into my body. This is where my little editor is that I can post whatever I want to. This is a test blog post. If I could type, that would help. I do have more formatting options here if I want to change things. I can also just use my drop downs here. There are some that are set for you so you can change your font according to these drop downs. And I would use these most of the time. This will make life easier for you and keep it more uniform. When I'm done with my editing my body, I come down to the bottom and I have publish or I have more actions. Okay? If I want to publish it right away, I can simply click publish. More actions will let me publish on a specific date. So if I click on that, it will open up a calendar and I can choose the date and time that I want it to publish, which is nice if you want to work some ahead of time but then have them post later. Okay? I'm going to leave it for right now. I'm going to click done and I'm going to save it and I'm going to publish my post. And now you can see I have a test blog that showed up here. If I go back to my page and I refresh my page more than once, it might take a couple minutes for it to show up. Let me go all the way back to the Velasquez page and jump back in through teachers and Jennifer Wagner, and let's see if it will show up this time. There it is. My test blog showed up. Now this is where I also wanted to talk to you about where you can start blogging for each individual section. If you look right below the name here of Jennifer Wagner, there are all courses and there's grade 2. If I had posted to reading, there'd be a reading word here. If I posted language arts would be here. If a parent wants or student wants to look at specific ones to that section, they simply click on that little link and it will separate out the blog post according to section. That's all we have for today. This is Paul in the iCafe studio. Have a great day.